Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this quick and easy low messy hairstyle. To start, I've left a few tendrils out around the face, and we're going to start off by sectioning hair from just above the ear forwards on both sides. Bring both these sections to the back of the head and tie them together with a clear elastic band. Next, pop your fingers behind that section and pass that little ponytail up to your fingers and pull it through so you create a little twist. Now we're going to grab a large section of hair from the left hand side, pop your fingers behind that section again and pull it through so it's twisted around that tied off section, and then just secure this to the head with a bobby pin. With the remaining hair, all we're going to do is a simple rope braid. So split that section in half, twist both sections towards the left hand side, and then cross the left strand over the right strand, and then just keep repeating these steps until you get to the end of the hair. Now just tie it off with a clear elastic band, and on the last twist of that band, don't bring the ends all the way through, just bring them part way through so it creates a small loop. Apply some texture spray all over the top of the head and down that rope braid. I'll link the one I'm using in the description box below. Taking that rope braid, all we're going to do is bring it over to the left hand side, tuck the ends under, and then just lay it underneath that twisted section. Hold into place with your hands, and then we're just going to use a few bobby pins on the right hand side to anchor it to the head, and also pop a few bobby pins on the left hand side. Next, we're going to pinch and pull at both of these twists and just add a little bit of hairspray to keep everything in place. And basically we're just going to pinch and pull at all the loops of that rope braid as well. So pinch and pull and spray in place until you're happy with the messiness of your bun. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.